Hey everyone, it's lesson number 19. Alright, it's not that magical, but it's going to be a quick one that's here, so it's going to feel magical. Alright, so scale drawings with proportions. Listen, okay, so what they're getting at here is if we have an actual scale drawing, it's drawn with very specific measurements in mind. We're using that scale factor. So like we've done here, everything is being multiplied by 3, or everything is being multiplied by 1 2/5. So it's not just, let's just draw on the page somewhere. Hey, look, I got a scale drawing. No. Very specific numbers. We are always going to be proportional, which means we'll have a constant. We'll multiply by the same number. So scale model, fine. It's three-dimensional. That's there. The scale just tells you, hey, this is what we're doing to adjust it. So do keep in mind that when we solve our proportions, we can use our equivalent ratios. In other words, you can simply multiply across. So what are you multiplying by? What are you multiplying by? Or we have our cross products. Remember, the multiplying across is faster, more efficient. It doesn't always work. Cross products, that's the, all right, that does always work, but takes a little bit longer. So just kind of depends on your situation. So let's get to one of these questions, and we'll show you what we're dealing with here. So they've got the actual measurements of a stage here. We can see it's 12 meters wide. It's 9 meters tall. They want a scale drawing. They're telling us in the scale 1 centimeter represents 3 meters on the page. So the whole idea here is we know that 1 centimeter is going to represent 3 meters. So what this comes down to is we can set up our equivalent ratios. I've got 12 meters. So I've got to keep the meters with the meters. And we can solve. No need to do cross products here. Hey, we're going to multiply by a 4. So 1 times 4 gives me a 4. Hey, I would draw it out to be 4 centimeters. So that's it. We set it up so we can solve. We still reuse the same scale over and over again. That's not going to change in the scale drawing. So again, it is the 9 meters that they gave me. Hey, let's times it by 3. Whee! All right, we get ourselves 3 centimeters that we're looking at. So that's it. That's your setup. Some will be very straightforward and basic like that. Some a little bit more intricate depending on what the scale actually is. But yeah, people, that's it. That's what we're going for. You're out of here. We're gone. That's here. All right. I gotta get the dog out anyway. See ya.